Two doctors have been suspended and an inquiry has been ordered against another one. This after Washim Hospital's negligence cost 14 people their eyesight. The Health Ministry has said that a preliminary probe shows that the surgeon was at fault since hygiene wasn't maintained.
ते अशी आहे की तिथे झालेल्या शस्त्रक्रिया आहेत ज्या डोळ्याच्या त्याच्यानंतर काही कॉम्प्लिकेशन झाले. दुसऱ्या तिसऱ्या दिवशी पेशंट इथे आले आणि इथे आल्यानंतर इथून पुढे रेफर करण्यात आले. बरोबर, जे मुंबईला पाठवलेलं. त्यामुळे आता सध्या ते जे आपण रेफर केलेले आहेत त्यांना काही इन्फेक्शन झालं किंवा काय झालं हे चौकशी होईल. त्यांची इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन होतील. इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन झाल्यानंतर कशामुळे झालं याचा निष्कर्ष प्राप्त झाल्यानंतर उचित ती कारवाई करण्यात येईल.
Kajal now joins us live for more on that story. Kajal, has there been any identification of exactly what were the shortcomings because of which 14 people had to pay with their eyesight?
More than 10 families affected by a botched-up cataract operation by a government camp in Washim have now been admitted to JJ Hospital for further testing and further treatment because this botched-up operation has led to some people going almost blind. In fact, some of the relatives that we spoke to said that despite the fact that their relatives are actually feeling better here at JJ Hospital in Mumbai, but a lot of them are still not able to see. Dean Lahane has said that all possible care is being given to the people here and that every possible treatment is given. Remember, Dr. Lahane himself is an ophthalmologist and is a renowned ophthalmologist, and which is why he's taking care especially of this entire thing. Meanwhile, the Health Ministry has ordered an inquiry into the entire incident. Two doctors have already been suspended and there is an inquiry that has been ordered against one particular other doctor also. The Health Ministry officials say that the suspensions have been ordered because the preliminary inquiry has shown that these doctors and surgeons had not maintained hygiene and that it was entirely the surgeon's fault that had led to these complications for these patients.